there is an index on this column. But when I run a query, the database ignores it and scans every row instead. That's the dark side of indexes. And there are two ways it betrays you. First, why an index gets ignored. Mine is on two columns, last name, then first name. An index keeps those values in sorted order. Last name first. When last names are the same, it sorts by first name. Exactly like a phone book. So search by last name and you jump straight to the page. But my query search by first name alone. And those are scattered across every page. No way to jump. The index can't serve this query. So the database reads the whole thing. An index only works when your filter starts from its first column, the left side. So here's the rule. Your query has to use the index columns from the left. Last name alone works. Last name and first name works. First name by itself? Nothing. The fix is to rebuild the index. Put the column you filter on first. What's the plan? The same query flips from scan to search using an index. One thing people get wrong. The order of conditions in your SQL means nothing. Only the order inside the index counts. Now make that index do more. A normal index holds just two things. The columns it's sorted on and a pointer to the row. So it finds your match, then it takes a second hop to the table to grab the other columns you asked for. But say every column your query needs is already in the index. Then that second hop disappears. The database answers from the index alone. The plan calls it a covering index. And in MySQL, the saving is doubled because that pointer is really another index lookup. One well-shaped index can answer the whole query without ever touching the table. Now the second betrayal, that quiet tax on every write. Here's the machinery underneath it. The index is a tree, kept in perfect sorted order. That order is what makes it fast. The database skips straight to the answer. But every insert has to preserve the order. So the database walks down and slots the new value into its exact place. But when a node fills up, it splits into two and pushes key up to its parent. That split can ripple to the top and grow the whole tree a level. So one small insert can rewrite several nodes, and every index on the table is another tree to keep balanced. Which is why sometimes an index is the wrong move. Skip it on a column with few distinct values, like an order status or a yes or no flag. That matches half the table. Jumping saves nothing, so the database ignores it and scans anyway. And skip it on a table you write far more often than you read. And don't add one on last name when last name and first name already covers it. That's write cost for nothing. Index the columns you actually filter, join and sort on, the ones that narrow to a few rows. So an index isn't a box you tick, it's a structure you design. Get the column order right so the index gets used. Put every column the query needs inside so the index answers alone. And add one only where you read far more than you write. You use these systems every day. If you want to actually understand them, subscribe. Because next time, loading one page quietly fires 100 database queries and nobody notices.